a sign that your vaccination strategy has been designed for the South. And just one question to Professor Van Tam. North Yorkshire Police are still giving out hundreds of fines for lockdown breaches as people travel to beauty spots in our region, including in some cases more than 100 miles. Now that the Prime Minister has set out his roadmap out of lockdown, are you concerned people now think the end is here and are less likely to stick to the rules?
So, Jim, just on your first question, I'll ask Dr. Hopkins to come in. But one of the brilliant things about this vaccination programme is how it has been equal and fair UK-wide. And the North East has done a brilliant job in vaccinating. It came out of the blocks really fast and has done worked absolute wonders. And I want to thank, in particular, the volunteers and the NHS staff in the North East who have worked so hard to get these vaccinations done. And there has been a lower amount of supply across the whole UK in the last week or so. You'll have seen that in the last 48 hours that has picked up again. And yesterday we did over 500,000 jabs again for the first time in over a week. So that supply is coming back. We all know that it goes in, it's lumpy, it comes up and down, and we're going to have a bumper March. But I do know that there have been some vaccination centres that are so efficient, they've been able to use all of their supply, and I'm very, very grateful for the work that they've done. But the good news is that these challenges are faced equally throughout the whole of the UK, and I get people from brilliant local newspapers in the southwest asking the same question as you're asking about the northeast, and that gives me the impression that this challenge of the rollout is equally balanced. As far as I'm concerned, every single person getting their access to their jab in the northeast is as important as in every other part of the country, and we'll make sure that the programme delivers according to those principles. I don't know what more I can say about my enthusiasm for what the North East has done and really nailed it in this vaccination programme so far. Susan.
Yeah, I think that's exactly right. So the North East has been achieving over and above what the rest of the country has done. It's fantastic news. Everywhere is going to get vaccine, and everywhere will be able to deliver the vaccine to all of those from 1 to 9 over the coming weeks.
Thanks very much. And on your second question, JVT.
Yeah, thank you. Yes is the answer. I do worry that people think it's all over. The more they think that, when it's not, the greater the headwind they're going to give to the vaccine programme, and the more at risk will become the milestones set on the roadmap. And, you know, it's just a collective effort. It is actually up to us whether we can hold our nerve and see this through properly to the end of the roadmap, or whether we're going to kind of, you know, fall at the last furlough.
Thanks very much, and thank you all for joining the daily briefing today. Once again, I'm going to end with where I ended the opening, which is to say that this is on all of us. Of course, it's on us at the podium to do our duty and play our part, but it's on you as well. Every single person needs to keep sticking to those rules. Stay at home, protect the NHS, and save lives. We're making great strides, but we're not there yet. Thank you very much indeed.